forget everything you thought you knew. The real secrets to blowing up your visibility and getting die-hard fans? They're practically hidden. Instagram's AI is now a beast that wants real connection, not just lame views. Imagine your engagement exploding and your brand becoming legendary. Don't go anywhere because I'm literally handing you the 2025 playbook.
What is up, everyone? Your Instagram growth is dead, right? Well, the 2025 Instagram game just got crazy update. And I'm about to drop the top 1% secrets that you can only use.
Section 1.
The new foundation, authenticity and algorithm alchemy.
Instagram's AI is a genius now. It rewards you for being real and making original stuff. Drop the perfect act if it's not actually you. Show them the behind the scenes, what you really think, your wins, your fails. When you're 100% real, the algorithm loves you and will boost you like crazy, especially with shares and comments that actually mean something. So just be you, create content people need to share, and watch the algorithm become your best friend. Section 2, the keyword goldmine, Instagram SEO and discoverability. Yeah, SEO is massive on Instagram. People are literally searching for your stuff in the app. You need to pack your username, display name, and bio with the keywords your audience is hunting for. Shove them into your captions and Reels descriptions. Use 3 to 5 super relevant hashtags. Make yourself impossible to miss. Section 3, the engagement ecosystem, beyond likes and comments. Build your engagement ecosystem. Likes are boring. You gotta use those interactive story features like polls and quizzes every single day. Write captions that make people talk and actually reply to comments. Get your audience to make content for you and team up with other creators for insane collabs. And don't sleep on DMS for those VIP connections. It's all about interactions that actually matter. Section 4, the content multiplier, format fluidity and feature focus. Don't just post one type of thing. Reels are king for reach. Make them original stories with a hook that grabs them in 3 seconds. Use carousels for guides and tips people will save and share. Hit up stories for daily chaos and lives for that real-time connection. Repurpose everything and jump on new Instagram features the second they drop. Section 5.
The Data-Driven Detective,
Analytics and Adaptation.
Adoption.
Finally, you gotta become a data-driven detective. Open up those Instagram insights. Figure out who your audience is and when they're online. See which posts and reels absolutely crush it with reach, shares, and saves, especially how long people watch your reels. Don't just stare at the numbers, change your strategy. Experiment like a madman, learn and keep tweaking for non-stop growth.
A quick recap for you all.
Number 1, authenticity and algorithm alchemy. Be real. 2, the keyword goldmine. SEO is everything. 3, your engagement ecosystem. Make them talk. 4, the content multiplier. Use all the formats. And 5, be a data-driven detective. Let the data guide you. These are your cheat codes for 2025.
Which one of these secrets are you trying first? Spam it in the comments if this blew your mind. Smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with everyone. And grab my free 2025 Growth Strategies checklist. The link is right there in the description. Winning on Instagram in 2025 is all about real connection and using these insane strategies. These are the new rulers. Start today, be consistent, and get ready for unbelievable results. Thanks for watching.